SB19 display at the entrance of 1F Tower records Shibuya. SB19 official. So naka-display nga po ay binahagi ng isang 18. Sa Japan mismo yan, makikita ayan, nakalagay po dyan yung mga CDs ng SB19. At makikita nyo na halos wala na nga pong natira. At ayon pa sa isang netizen, nakapila sila ng kanyang anak para nga po ma-avail yung mga CDs na nandoon. Pero ayon sa isang komento, nothing on the rack anymore, selling like hotcakes. Sabi ng isa, bukas pa po ang official release. Walang nakalagay sa rack nila. Bukas pa po ang official release. So sabi ng 18 Japan. So ito na po, naka-display na ang nasabi nga po mga CDs ng SB19. At ayon nga sa isang fan, ito po at nakapila na nga raw sila sa nasabi nga pong rack na iyon ng SB19. Ito po ang lola with daughter nakapila early in the morning para maka-avail ng CD ng SB19. Congrats SB19! Ito po ang naging say ng isang netizen. Para sa SB lang yan, I am seeing Japanese locals. TY po sa posting admin. Samantala, usapang Coachella pa rin? Well, ano nga ba ang rason? At ano nga ba ang mga qualification para makapasok nga daw sa nasabing prestigious event? Mula ito sa Read It, SB19 at Coachella. The Boys for the past few months has been very vocal in their interest in attending the Coachella this coming 2025. Due to this, I tried to read and research about what qualification does an artist need to pass in order for them to get qualifications. 1. Maraming experience sa festival local, international. Malaking points din pag ang artista laging festival headliner. Madaming experience sa concert, artist-owned concert, again local or international. Live performance contents, fandom impact, and social media engagements, at least 1 million followers on all social media accounts. Based on sa mga qualifications, I believe na The Voice check all these factors for the past few months and even in the future. They have been ramping on their participation on numerous music festivals as headliners, sold-out concerts, both national and international fandom impact also. Kaka 1 million lang din nila sa IG live performance contents. The Boys are well known for the monster live vocals, but majority of the people are still in doubt na makakasali talaga sila. Ito po ay, I don't know, ito po ay 1 year ago na nakita lang po natin. I would like to ask, what do you think would impede The Boys from ever being invited to perform on Coachella? Ano po ang naging sagot dito ng ilang mga netizen? Narito po. Say ng isa, I think qualified naman na sila, pero napansin ko lang yung sa IG, kahit naka 1 million followers na, mababa pa din yung engagement nila, like less than 100,000. Mas okay sana kung mas mataas. But kung hindi naman yun titignan, I think they are qualified in all aspect. Majority ng music fest, nandun sila ang headliner, and magaling at talagang nakaka-hype sila pag nag-perform ng live. With concert, hahaha, tinatanong pa ba yan? Say naman ng isa, actually hindi naman talaga required ang malaking followers sa social media. Kung di naman headline stage. Madaming artists ang DJs na small lang ang followers sa IG pero pasok sa lineup. Ang pinaka-importante pa rin is connection with booking agencies and festival experience. So sabi nila, connection daw talaga ang nasabing pagpasok sa Coachella. Yun ang paniniwala ng marami. Sige naman ang isa, SB19 has all full of disqualification to be in Coachella. They have great impact in the Philippines. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.